Alright guys, if you are on drive mode and you stop at the traffic light, it doesn't need to leave the gear in the N position. It is better to have your feet on the brake and stay in the drive mode, because this is the better for the gear. The first time you start to drive, you will have a hard time to staying on the right track, because your eyes is not trained to look afar. So the best things is to keep your eyes at the far as possible point in front of you, and this way your car will be on the right track. In this way, you control the situation and did not disturb the other drivers on the road. Alright guys, so this method is very easy. Try to practice it always. Good luck for everyone to pass the road test.